In the previous classes, we saw about the climatic condition of India. Understand? That the northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon. Understand? And how many seasons I told you? There are 4 seasons. 4 seasons in India. What are they? First one, summer, winter season, winter, then summer, then third one, southwest monsoon, that is rainy season. Southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon, or we can say it as rainy season. And fourth one, northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon. So, these are the seasons of India. Okay. And the winter season is from what we can say January to February. And summer season is from March to May. March to June we can say. March to May. And the southwest monsoon season from June to September. June to September. And this northeast monsoon, that is from October to what we can say December. So, in the previous chapters we saw about the previous classes. We saw about winter and summer season, the nor'westers, the mango showers, everything. Do you remember that? Understand? Mango showers which ripening the mangoes, that is, it is called as mango showers. And nor'westers in the northeastern side, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, the wind blows, those winds are called as nor'westers or Kalbaishaki. Understand? Now we are going to see about the southwest monsoon. It is from June to September. Now we are in which season, children? Yes, we are in this southwest monsoon season. That is why we are getting much rainfall. The southwest monsoon season only, it is giving much rainfall to India, especially to South India. Understand? And during this season, what we can say, the southwest monsoon season, it is starts from June to September, and it is called as rainy season. Understand? And it is happening in the tip of that is South India. I'll show you in the map then. This is Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. So, this is Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, this line. Understand? So, from this south, up the down of Tropic of Cancer till the tip of the south, we can get the southwest monsoon. And we are having, it starts from June, the start of June, the 1st of June till we have September, this southwest monsoon season. Understand? And we have the global phenomenon called El Nino. See all of you? El Nino. El Nino, the global phenomenon. These two already we saw, the winter and summer. Now we are going to see this southwest monsoon. And this southwest monsoon, it is the South India is because of this, the monsoon travels like this. The wind blow like this. Southwest monsoon. So, this southwest monsoon winds blows mostly in the part of South India. Understand? And North India, it feels the temperature of 46 degree C. It reaches up to 46 degree C. And in India, it is having somewhat break or burst of monsoon. Burst in thunder, lightning. What is thunder, children? Idi. Lightning means minnal. So, much thunder and lightning will happen in India because of the southwest monsoon, especially in South India. So for that only we are getting much rainfall in South India. Okay, and there are two branches are there in this southwest monsoon season. They are, one is Arabian Sea branch and another one is Bay of Bengal branch. How many branches are there? Two branches. Southwest monsoon season, it is having two branches, cyclones. They are Arabian Sea branch and another one is Bay of Bengal branch. And this Arabian Sea branch only we are getting much rainfall. Understand? From this Arabian Sea branch, and we are getting heavy rainfall by this branch. And Bay of Bengal branch, only this northeastern part, this area, because of this monsoon, it retreating. This is east, west, north and south. So southwest. இங்கிருந்து அரேபியன் சீலந்து அடிக்கிறதுனால it is called as southwest monsoon winds. Understand? From southwest it is, the wind blows from southwest, so it is called as southwest monsoon. So this South India, this area we are getting much rainfall. So this Bay of Bengal branch, it is giving rainfall to eastern India, especially this Masindram, the world's heaviest rainfall in the world. It is in Masindram. That is, அதை என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், சிரப்புஞ்சி. கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அந்த காலத்துலலாம் அதை சிரப்புஞ்சின்னு we can say it as. Understand? So சிரப்புஞ்சி we can get much rainfall. It is in Meghalaya district. எந்த ஸ்டேட்ல இருக்கு? Meghalaya state. Okay, it is here, Meghalaya, Cherrapunji. We are getting much rainfall there. And 75% of the rainfall, they receive this, which monsoon? 75% of rainfall we are getting from southwest monsoon only. Understand? Now, northeast monsoon. This northeast monsoon, it starts the end of September. End of September, that is, we can say it 1st of October. So, October till December, we are getting this northeast monsoon wind, and from this northeast monsoon wind, we can get the rainfall in Andhra Pradesh here. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, inga Andhra Pradesh irukku, inga Tamil Nadu and Odisha and West Bengal. In these places, we are getting this northeast monsoon. We are getting rainfall through this northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon எப்படி அடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, just I'll show you. This is east, west, north and south. So like this, the northeast monsoon winds blow like this. North, east. So northeast. From the northeast, the winds blow through this area. Understand? So it is called as northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon winds. From which month? October and December. It is giving rainfall to Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and some parts of Odisha. And this now from northeast monsoon winds, it passes through this Bay of Bengal. In the east, we are having Bay of Bengal, the ocean. Understand? So Bay of Bengal, through this the monsoon, the northeast monsoon winds, it's blow through this Bay of Bengal. That is why it is getting moisture from the ocean. Understand? So we are getting rainfall. And this area, especially this Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, they are getting more rainfall than other states. Can you able to follow? The eastern coastal region, they are getting rainfall by this northeast monsoon winds. Have you all understand, children? Okay. Shall we pass on to next one? Okay. And now, distribution of rainfall. Now, we'll see the distribution. Distribution means what? எங்கெல்லாம் மழை நிறையா இருக்கு, எங்கெல்லாம் மழை பெய்யுது அப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். the annual rainfall, the average rainfall of India, average rainfall of India is 180 centimeter. Understand? And it is not even all throughout India. The average rainfall in India is 118 centimeter only, but it is uneven. The rainfall is uneven all over India. In some places we are getting more rainfall, some places moderate rainfall, in some other places low rainfall, scanty rainfall we can say. Can you able to follow? So the distribution of rainfall is uneven all through this India. Understand? And now 200 centimeter of rainfall we can get in Meghalaya, Tripura, only this eastern side. The eastern states, they are getting much rainfall than other state. That is why I told you Mahasindram, the heaviest rainfall region in the world, it is in Meghalaya. So Tripura, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, all these places, they are getting much rainfall, that is 200 centimeter rainfall. Understand? Here in the northeastern, that is in these states, they are getting much rainfall, and in the middle of India, they are getting rainfall like 100 to 200 centimeter, that is in the middle states, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, okay, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, all these places they are getting moderate rainfall. Moderate means medium rainfall region. Understand? And in Rajasthan, they are not getting the rainfall, that is, it is in interior in the northern side, so it is getting scanty rainfall, that is low rainfall. They are getting low rainfall. Understand that? Gujarat, the upper part of Gujarat and other places in Rajasthan. That is why in Rajasthan we are having a great desert in India. What desert, children? Yes, very good. We are having the Thar desert, Thar. Here we are having the Thar desert in Rajasthan, the state of Rajasthan. Desert பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Have you seen a desert? Yeah, we can see in the cinemas or any pictures. நீங்கள் ராஜஸ்தான் போனீங்கன்னா அங்கே போய் பாருங்க. Understand? If you grown up big children, you go, you take your parents also. Understand? To these places, to see these places, and especially at least once in your lifetime you have to see the Taj Mahal, a greatest place. It is one of the wonders of the world. Is it not? Okay, Taj Mahal எப்படியாவது நீங்கள் பெருசானா நீங்கள் போய் பார்த்துடணும். Okay, children? Okay, we'll come to the point. So, a great desert, because of the scanty rainfall, low rainfall, there is a desert in Rajasthan. It is called as Thar desert. So, these are all the distribution of rainfall. Have you all understand? Shall we go to next one? The natural vegetation. Have you all take it down? So, repeat, say, tell it to me. There are how many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons. What are they? Winter, summer, southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. So, 4 season நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். Winter season from January to February, then summer season March to May, and southwest monsoon season from June to September, and northeast monsoon season from October till December. Understand? And distribution of rainfall, I told you, the average, India's average annual rainfall is 118 centimeter, but the average of rainfall is uneven all over India. Some states they are getting more rainfall, like the northeastern states, but the middle of India we are getting somewhat moderate only. Tamil Nadu, Kerala and all we are getting moderate rainfall, and Rajasthan, these places they are getting scanty rainfall. So, these are all about the distribution of rainfall. Have you all understand, children? Shall we pass on to natural vegetation? Okay.